4 weeks of learning artificial intelligence. This week is the last week in the math month. It was about sorting and searching algorithms. It's very important for all the programmers with any programming language. It will help you to make your code faster and smarter. So let's start. There's a part for sorting and another part for searching. The first point was about big O notation, and then sequential search, self-organized search, binary search, and then tree data structure implementation, tree traversal data structure, AVL tree, balancing, and then selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort, complete tree. I think you will enjoy this week. It was good for me. So now, this is the playlist I would watch in Arabic. I think it's very good. And this one is in English. Actually, it's an Indian accent if you don't mind. But it's very, very good. And this one is in illustrations, with no speak. Still, you can search your own. You have the important points. The goal of these videos is to share my journey and give you the map, so you know what you have to learn. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is my Instagram, follow me there. See you.